So if you want to design your own, you can choose whether you want a shoe, a boot, or trainer, whatever. And let's see, let's choose one, and you want the Oxford one. You go to the Oxford one, and then you try to look at the options here. There's the standard leather, so box calf leather, or patina, or it's golf shoes. So you can choose whatever. Click on that. It will open our 3D tool. Then you can just do a lot of optimization here the way you want. You have to definitely choose which type of last you need. So you can see the different shapes of last here. This is like Cuban heel, high heel. Other ones are different shapes, rounded, as did chisel. So let's see, we choose this last. Then it will take us to the actual design tool, where we can design the shoe the way we like it. So we can click on here, you can scroll the parts, which part you want to change, or just click on the part and then just change. If you want the box top, just go here, click on here and say black. So it's black. If you can apply to all, it will be all black. And then definitely you have a lot of options, kids suede, painted croco, and a lot of options here you can use. If you want it linen, you can choose this one, click apply to all, the linen, or part of it you want. Just straight, for example, so it could be like that. Anything you imagine you can do it here. And then definitely on the outside you can click on here and you have a lot of options you want, you know, leather, rubber, you want just the leather one, you want the the Dynamite. So there are a lot of options. So this is basically the tool where you can do a lot of customization.